Hello. I've got an unboxing for you today. Uh, I IMILITIS. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's IMILITIS. These are the IME0I or 1 headphones. They are $15.99 on Amazon, Prime shipping, of course. They are Apple style shell, high quality speaker. In-ear, hi-fi in-ear noise isolating. Sorry. They have precision process driver. Over here is there's an inline remote, and here are what they are. One click is play, pause, or answer, hang up the phone. 2 clicks is next track. 3 clicks is previous track. And then of course there's volume up and down. Never heard of this brand, so I'm curious to try them out. We go through a lot of headphones in our house. I mean, if I'm not going to use these, one of my children will happily, I'm sure. So either or, they will get used. Someone will be very happy with them, I'm sure. But this is it here. They come in this little plastic box here, or plastic tray, I should say. Sorry, cardboard box, and they do have a little. Looks like almost like a hemp bag, actually. Just like a cloth, sackcloth bag type of deal here. IMILITIS. Here are the headphones themselves. They are a little tangled up here. They do have, I believe these are the anti-tangle cords as well. It's a TPE covering. Easily hold 3 kilograms of pressure. That's what it says. Metal housing, CD shining design. I don't know what that is. 24 karat gold plug, which is here, of course. Supposedly gold makes things better. But yeah. So we have, here are the headphones themselves. They are plastic and metal, they look like to me. There's the metal on the inside and the plastic on the outside, or actually the other way around. But we have a left and a right, of course, R and L. Here are cables here. They feel almost like rope, actually. And then when you get down here, it's thicker, but you can actually see through the covering there to see the wires inside. Let's go back here. Here's the remote I was talking about. There's a little teeny tiny hole in there, right in the M, which I'm assuming would be the microphone, of course. We have, here's our remote. Again, here's play, pause, volume up and down. And I mean, that's about it. I mean, I can't exactly, do much with these right this second in this video, because they're headphones. I have to put them on, wear them, test them out and all that. But, I'm curious. I always like a good deal on things. And, there are some decent, earphones that are inexpensive. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get a decent set. So I'm really curious about these here. I'm not sure about this here, the style. I've never used the Apple shell, or the Apple style shell before. So we'll see, I guess. But review will be down below in the description, the link for it. So thanks a lot.